For a long time, I've been overwhelmed and disorganized in multiple areas of my life. I was realizing that the systems and processes that I am known for in my work and corporate life, I was resisting those and preventing those from coming into my personal and home life. Well, I have decided about a year ago that I was going to stop doing that, and I was going to let those in because they were going to be super helpful in my day to day. I was going to stop fighting it and create the processes and systems that I'm known for and build them out in everything I'm doing. So I have begun that with a seasonal reset. I've done that with my hosting and my appetizer, 5-category appetizer method, as well as an organization system for my photos and videos and other processes as well. These can all be found on my resources tab on my website. I'll leave a link in the description, but I'm going to go into detail on some of these because I really think they're going to help you like they've helped me. And I'm going to actually go through an entire process and build one out as I'm talking about my small business that I have just launched. And it is a process and a system all in itself. Now, the areas that I knew I needed processes was when I found myself repeating the same problems over and over. I was either overthinking, I was either unfulfilled after completing a project, or I was in an urgent mode having to resolve it quickly because I was up against a deadline. Now, one of the areas that I was constantly overthinking and causing decision fatigue was when I was trying to decide the appetizers for any events I was hosting. Between cookbooks and Pinterest boards and social media sites with recipes, there were so many options. I was so overwhelmed with making a decision, but I started realizing I was using the same categories repeatedly. I knew I wanted a balanced menu, and finally I decided to land on 5 categories to help round out my menu whenever I was hosting. This is a part of my hosting method, and these 5 categories are now my go-to process. These categories include my protein, my hearty bite, my cheesy or creamy dip, my fresh filler, and my sweet bite. This is a balanced menu, and I refer to it, and ever since I've put it in place, deciding on my menu is so much easier. Now, have you ever completed a task and at the end you felt unfulfilled? Did you check it off your list and it didn't give you the satisfaction that you thought it would? Now, this was happening to me frequently, and it was because my process wasn't aligned to my end goal. I realized this especially during seasonal resets. Every season, usually the spring season, I would just go through every room and all through my checklist, and I would go through all the things, organizing, cleaning, and decluttering. But the last time I did this, I felt completely unsatisfied. So I quickly turned to my processes. What I need to do is ask some very pointed questions, some very specific things to get to the things that matter most to me in this season. And that is why I created a seasonal reset. It is a guide and a method that helps me, and I use it now each time before a season and a fresh start. It includes questions that are specific for me to reflect and ask, such as what is overwhelming me right now. I created sections in the guide to help me know what were the key focus areas, and I also wanted to make sure I knew the reset categories. And this is where I did my mid-year reset, and I focused in on 4 specific areas. And then when I used this guide along with those areas, I really was able to be specific. And then I have my reset checklist on the back, so I make sure I go through everything. And this is going to be the tool I'm going to continue to use. And the process I'll continue to refine as I go forward. Now, the next process and system that I want to put in place is for actually tracking cards. And I have an idea of how I'm going to set that up. But first, I want to talk about the system I already have. And actually, this is my small business I just launched. And this is about sending cards and having the right card at the right moment. The business I created is called the Journey Cards, and it is a quarterly card subscription service that includes 4 handmade cards, and one of them is a journey card. That means that it can be reused and shared repeatedly with everything it needs to continue a journey. So it includes envelopes and a card with the instructions and even some sentiments you get to select from. It is something I've been working on for a long time, and I am so thrilled that I am finally at the point where I can share it with others. So this is a process and a system all in itself, something to help others have that right card to be able to share with those they love. And if you're interested in one of these card kits, the quarterly card subscription kits are available to founding members first. Because it is a new business, as a founding member, we're looking for feedback to help us shape the future of the subscription, but it's at a reduced rate. So 10 members can get the reduced rate for as long as they are subscribed, and you can be a part of helping shape this business. If you want information, more is below in the description, as well as here is the website for you to check out. So because I created this whole business to be able to keep people connected through cards and through homemade creations, I needed my own way to track and make sure I was on top of sending out my cards as well. And I actually did miss someone's birthday. I didn't have this process, and so this is what I have. I have the Laurel Denise quarterly planning booster pack. These are insert pages that go into my Laurel Denise planner. Now, you don't need to use this specific pack, but it's already designed for me for this purpose. Now, I track 3 things when it comes to sending cards. I track 3 dates. 1, the date of the event, the birthday, the anniversary, and then I track 1 week prior for mailing, and then 2 weeks prior to that for creating. Gives me enough time to make sure I have everything I need and it gets in the mail on time. So at least 3 weeks before the actual birthday or event. Now, I'm going to continue filling it out. I did decide this process in the middle of the year, so I'm going to go through and make sure that I continue to update it with all of the dates, and I will be able to use this year to year. Since it is undated, I can use it each time and keep building upon it, and it will become my process. Now, I have so many different processes that I will continue to make. I just feel like it's time to put that work brain to use, and the things I'm good at with prioritization, organization, and creating systems that work instead of starting over, that is what I'm going to do. So everything from my hosting guide to my seasonal reset to my photos and videos that I organize, and now a new business, which is the whole system of staying connected. Be sure to leave a comment on anything you saw or want more details on, any other things you want to see a process for. Let's talk about it. Let's keep building out systems to help us in our day-to-day. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.